Hello, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. Today, we are going to see MCQs and question and answers from the chapter Teeth and Microbes. So, let us start. The first question is tick the correct answers. The first question is the four chisel shaped teeth at the front of each jaw are the options are canines, incisors, molars, and premolars. These are the options. So, what is the correct one? The correct option is incisors. So, let us tick mark incisors. So, this over here, these are the incisors. These are the four chisel shaped teeth at the front of each jaw. Let us move on further. We use these teeth to tear pieces of food. The options are incisors, canines, molars, premolars. So, what is the correct option? The correct option is canines. Third question. Which of the following is used to clean between two teeth? So, this is that thing. Okay. Let us see what are the options: dental floss, toothbrush, toothpaste, and nutcracker. So, have you ever seen this thing which is used to clean between two teeth? Yes, the correct answer is dental floss. So this is dental floss. Let us see next question. The number of grinding teeth in each jaw is 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the correct answer? Number of grinding teeth in each jaw is 6. Fifth question. The tooth decay causes thirst, bad breath, hunger, itching. So what is the correct option? Tooth decay causes bad breath. Let us see next question. The next question is fill in the blanks. The first question is eating too many dash causes tooth decay. The options are sweets or fruits. Then second question, diseases causing microbes are called dash, germs or microorganism. And third one is pneumonia and typhoid are caused by dash, bacteria or viruses. So what are the correct answers for these three questions? Eating too many sweets causes tooth decay. Then disease causing microbes are called germs. And pneumonia and typhoid are caused by bacteria. So these are the answers for first three fill in the blanks. Let us see next two. The first or you can say fourth one is dash are used to make bread soft, yeast or germs. And fifth one is fungi grow on decaying matter and causes diseases like ringworms and dash. The options are athlete's foot and chicken pox. So what are the answers for these questions? Right, the yeast are used to make bread soft. Yeast is used to make bread soft, and fungi grow on decaying matter and causes diseases like ringworms and athlete's foot. So these are the answers for fourth and fifth fill in the blanks. Let us see next question. Write short answers, and first in that is name different kind of teeth. So you will write there are four kind of teeth in permanent set. The first one is incisors or cutting teeth. Second is canine or tearing teeth. Third is premolars or cracking teeth. And fourth one is molar or grinding teeth. Second question. Which are the three layers of a tooth? The answer will be there are three layers of teeth: enamel, dentine and pulp. So this is the answer. How you will write? There are three layers of teeth: enamel, dentine and pulp. Let us see third question. Write four conditions that help microbes to grow. You will write the following four conditions help microbes to grow. The answer is warmth, moisture, food and air. How you will write the answer? The following four conditions help microbes to grow: warmth, moisture, food and air. Let us see fourth question. Name four kind of microbes. You will write there are four kind of microbes: bacteria, viruses, protozoa and fungi. Write any four diseases caused by microbes. Here you will write the four diseases caused by microbes are typhoid, chickenpox, flu and polio. Now let us see some long answers. So first in that is how are teeth important to us? Here you will write, teeth are important part of our body. Clean and well kept teeth make our smile beautiful. They give proper shape to our face. Teeth helps us to make speak clearly. They enable us to bite and chew food, and this makes digestion easy. I will repeat the answer. How are teeth important to us? Teeth are important part of our body. Clean and well kept teeth make our smile beautiful. They give proper shape to our face. They help us to speak clearly. And last point you will write, they enable us to bite, chew food, which makes digestion easy. So this is how you write the answer for this particular question. Let us see next question. What are the functions of molars and premolars? Here you will start by writing following are the functions of molars and premolars. And then you will highlight molars or grinding teeth. Under that you will write molars are used to grind food. And then you will write premolars or cracking teeth. Here you will write premolars function like nut crackers and they are used for crushing food. Okay, they are used for crushing food. Third question, what type of food are good for our teeth? You will write the food rich in calcium and vitamin C are important for our healthy teeth and gums. Milk, cheese, cottage cheese are rich sources of calcium. So these types of food are good for our teeth. Fourth question, write 2 tips which helps to keep your teeth healthy. Brush your teeth every day 2 times during morning after getting up and night time before going to bed. Do not have too many sweets or colas. Okay, so this is how you will write. I will repeat the answer. Brush your teeth every day 2 times and then you will write during morning after getting up and night time before going to bed. And next point you will write, do not have too many sweets or colas. Then fifth question, what are microbes? Name 2 diseases caused by protozoa. Here you will write, microbes are very small living things which we cannot see with our eyes. Malaria and dysentery are caused by protozoa. So this is how you will write this answer. Then how are some microbes useful for us? Some microbes like bacteria change milk into curd. Okay. Some produce vitamins in our body. Some help in decaying of dead plants and animals, and some help in digestion of roughage in animals. I will repeat the answer. The question was, how are some microbes useful to us? Here you will write, some microbes like bacteria change milk into curd. And then you will write, some produce vitamins in our body. Third point you will write, some help in decaying of dead plants and animal. And last point you will write, some help in digestion of roughage in animals. So students, that was all from my side. I hope that will help you in solving the exercise for the lesson teeth and microbes. So see you during next session with the new topic. Until then, take care. Bye bye.